A Christian either believes in 6 24-hour periods of time, or they're not taking the Genesis 1 account literally. I've been engaged in conversations with other Christians, and they've made statements like that, but that seems a bit unfair to me. Mark, you're a philosopher. What's wrong with that statement?
That statement is particularly called a false dichotomy. And what happens in a false dichotomy is two positions are presented as if they're exclusive. In other words, these are the only two options available. And it's presented as if you have to make a choice between one or the other, and there are no others. And it's a fallacy because in this situation particularly, there are other options, but it's being cast as if it isn't. A fallacy is a mistake of reasoning that doesn't look like a mistake. And that's exactly what you have here. The mistake of reasoning is to believe that there are only two options when in fact there are others.
Okay, so Ken, if we're confronted with a false dichotomy, what do we do? And how do we avoid making false dichotomies ourselves?
Yeah, great questions. I think first of all, we've got to identify what those alternatives are that were not set forth. So as Mark said, there are other options. Set forth those options. Explain that this is not an either-or situation. There may be a third or maybe even a fourth explanation. I think in terms of kind of staying away from this fallacy, I think it's important to even ask yourself the question when you look at an issue, you know, is there only one or two, or could there be more answers? So kind of anticipate whether more answers need to be given right from the get-go.